Imagine this. You're in the moment, things are heating up, but she's not melting into that full body, can't think straight ecstasy you know is possible. Sound familiar? Most men zero in on just two spots right away, the breasts and the clitoris, and then scratch their heads wondering why the experience stays surface level. The truth is, you're bypassing 6 powerful, often ignored areas that build the kind of layered arousal that turns good intimacy into something unforgettable, where her whole body lights up with pleasure. Today, I'm breaking it down for you. The 7 key zones every man needs to master, why they matter, and the exact game plan to activate them in the right order tonight. This isn't guesswork. It's drawn from real conversations with women about what actually drives them wild. Let's dive in and transform how she experiences you. First up is one spot almost no guy ever considers, her scalp. Yeah, the head. It's loaded with nerve endings that rarely see intimate attention outside a quick shampoo. Run your fingers slowly through her hair, trace gentle circles along her scalp, maybe add a soft tug at the base of her neck. Do this like you're giving her the most relaxing massage of her life. Women tell me it sends shivers straight down their spine and puts them instantly in a relaxed, trusting headspace. It's intimate because it's unexpected. You're showing you're tuned into her comfort first, and that alone sparks deeper desire. Next, move to her neck, the ultimate vulnerability zone. Don't just peck the front, explore everywhere, sides, back, even behind the ears. Use soft lips, warm breath, light nibbles if she responds. Pay attention to her breathing. If it hitches or speeds up, stay right there. This area screams trust, and when you handle it with calm confidence, it flips a switch. Picture this. You're holding her close, lips grazing the nape while she tilts her head back, surrendering. That's magnetic. Zone 3, the ears. This one's hit or miss. Some women go crazy for it, others get ticklish, so read her cues carefully. Start subtle, blow gently, whisper something real like, "I've been craving this all day." Then add soft kisses around the lobe if she's into it. The combo of your voice, breath, and touch layers sensations that build intense connection fast. Lean in slow. If she presses closer or sighs, keep going. Quick pause here. If you're serious about leveling up, drop a comment right now. Which of these zones are you trying first tonight? Hit like if this is already shifting your mindset, and subscribe so you never miss the next edge you need in the bedroom. Now Zone 4, the lower back. This gets overlooked as just a support spot, but it's packed with nerves that make her feel deeply feminine and secure. Rest your palm there during a hug, apply gentle pressure, or trail kisses down her spine. Even in everyday moments, like guiding her through a room with your hand there, it plants seeds of anticipation. Combine it with hip support, and you're creating waves of unexpected pleasure. Zone 5, inner thighs, the slow burn gateway. These are reserved for real closeness, so treat them with patience. Start near the knees with feather-light strokes or kisses, inch upward without ever rushing to the center. Switch legs, tease, repeat. The longer you linger here, the more her body primes itself. Arousal builds naturally, making everything that follows exponentially more intense. Think of it as foreplay that pays dividends. Zone 6 brings us to the breasts and nipples. Yes, they're obvious, but most men handle them wrong. Don't dive straight in. Circle around first, build tension. Vary your touch. Soft caresses, light pinches, maybe some cool breath or warm tongue. Sensitivity shifts with her mood, cycle, stress. Watch her reactions and adjust. The goal is gradual escalation to whatever level drives her crazy. Finally, the 7th, the clitoris. Over 8,000 nerve endings make it a powerhouse, but hitting it too early kills the magic. Female arousal isn't instant like yours. It thrives on build-up, variety, and full-body attention. When you layer in all the previous zones, her entire nervous system is primed. By the time you focus here, even light, steady touch creates explosive responses. Here's your step-by-step roadmap to pull it all together. Aim for 30-45 minutes total. Start relaxed on the couch or bed. Begin with the scalp for 4-5 minutes, fingers gliding, shoulders dropping as she melts. Transition seamlessly to the neck. Kisses, breath, another few minutes until her breathing deepens. Slide to the ears. Whisper something appreciative. Add gentle kisses if she's leaning in. Now guide her to lie down or shift positions. Place your hand on her lower back for supportive pressure. Kiss along her spine while keeping that grounding touch. Move to inner thighs. Position between her legs, start low, tease upward slowly, switching sides. Spend solid time here. Watch her hips shift or hands guide you subtly. Then breasts. Hands first, circling, then nipples with varied pressure. Alternate back to thighs for contrast. Keep her guessing. Only now approach the clitoris. Gentle circles around first, then direct when ready. Keep one hand on her lower back or breasts. Reach up to her neck. Multiple zones at once overload her senses in the best way. Stay consistent with rhythm when she responds. Don't switch up right at the peak. When climax hits, it'll ripple through her whole body, not just one spot. Ease off gradually. Back to thighs, lower back, soft touches to help her come down. This approach isn't about tricks. It's about showing up fully, exploring her body with intention. Do this, and she'll feel truly seen, desired, and connected. Her desire for you skyrockets. If you want to dodge the biggest pitfalls that ruin oral and turn pleasure into tolerance, grab my free guide. 10 Oral Mistakes Most Men Make. Links in the description. Download it now. Start using this tonight. Pay attention, adapt, make it your own. This is how you create intimacy she craves again and again. If this hit home, smash that like button, drop a comment with your favorite zone, subscribe for more no BS advice that actually works, and share this with any brother who needs it. Your connection is worth the effort. Go make it epic.